Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Radar channel. As you all know, which will be very helpful for all agriculture related exams, especially IBPS SO AFO, AO, AO, NABARD Grade A and B, National Seed Corporation, DRDO, ARFO and DRFO, ICR, JRF, SRF and ARS. And we are with the set number 10 and mains exam is almost approached. So we are on the toes and we will begin in agronomy section. What is the scientific name of common bread wheat is? Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum, Triticum dicoccum, Triticum spirococcum, Triticum coccum. Answer is Triticum aestivum. This is about some of the points about the wheat. Permanent adventitious roots of wheat is called clonal roots. The recommended seeds rate for wheat under dibbling method is 25 to 30 kg per hectare. General recommendation of inorganic fertilizer for wheat is 120 to 150 is to 60 is to 40 to 60 kg per hectare. Spacing for irrigated wheat is 22.5 into 8 to 18 centimeter. Spacing for rain-fed wheat is 25 to 30 into 5 to 6 centimeter. And common wheat is called as Triticum vulgare or Triticum aestivum, that is bread wheat. And macaroni wheat is called as Triticum durum. And emmer wheat is called Triticum dicoccum. And short wheat or Indian dwarf wheat is its scientific name is Triticum spirococcum. And next, what is the optimum time for transplanting rice seedling in wet nursery? Third leaf stage, fourth leaf stage, second leaf stage, fifth leaf stage, sixth leaf stage. Answer is fourth leaf stage. This is some of the points about rice crop. Photoperiodically, rice is a short day plant. The average temperature for the crop required is 21 to 37 degrees Celsius, and for blooming 26.5 to 29.5 degrees Celsius. And for ripening, temperature required is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and pH range required is 5.5 to 6.5. That is some acidic pH range is required. And for wet nursery, in case of wet nursery area required for 1 hectare is 20 cents or 800 meters square. And seed rate required is 30 kg for long duration, 40 kg for medium duration, and 60 kg for short duration varieties, and 20 kg for hybrids. And in case of dry nursery area required is same as 20 cents or 800 meters square of the land area for 1 hectare. And optimum age for transplanting is fourth leaf stage, as I told. And short duration means less than 120 days required. And for medium duration means 120 to 145 days, and long duration means more than 145 days. Next, in soil science section, the process of biological oxidation by which the ammonical form of nitrogen converts to nitrate form of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation, ammonification, immobilization, denitrification, nitrification. Answer is nitrification. And the bacteria involved are nitrosomonas and nitrobacter. From ammonia to nitrite is nitrosomonas, and nitrite to nitrate it is required is nitrobacter. And in case of denitrification, bacillus, pseudomonas and clostridium are responsible. And these are some of the definition. Nitrification, as I told, process of biological oxidation by which the ammonical form of nitrogen converts to nitrate form of nitrogen. And there are 2 steps. Ammonium is converted first to nitrite and then to nitrate. And in case of denitrification, the biochemical reduction of nitrate nitrogen or nitrite nitrogen to gaseous nitrogen, and either as molecular nitrogen or an oxide of nitrogen. And nitrogen immobilization means immobilization is the process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen to organic nitrogen, and it is basically the reverse of nitrogen mineralization. And nitrogen fixation, the conversion of elemental nitrogen to organic forms readily usable in biological process. And next, which nutrient plays a vital role in development of the root system and ripening of fruits and seeds, and deficiency prevents the emergence and unfolding of new leaves? Calcium, nitrogen, boron, phosphorus, magnesium. Answer is calcium. And these are some of the secondary nutrients. and deficiency symptoms and their functions. In case of calcium deficiency prevents the emergence and unfolding of new leaves. The tips are almost colorless, covered with a sticky gelatinous material, and its function is plays a vital role in plant structure, that is cell walls, promotes the development of the root system and the ripening of fruits and the fruit and seeds found in the growing parts of the plant, that is the apex and buds. And in case of magnesium deficiency appear first on the lower leaves. In many species, shortage of magnesium results in interveinal chlorosis of the leaf, in which only veins remain green. And its function is an important part of chlorophyll, helps fruit ripen and seeds germinate, and reinforces cell walls and promotes the absorption of phosphorus, nitrogen and sulfur by plants. And in case of sulfur, its deficiency effect is retarding effect on plant growth, characterized by uniformly chlorotic plants, stunted, thin stemmed and spindly. And its function is a component of several proteins, enzymes and vitamins, and contributes to chlorophyll production and helps plants absorb potassium, calcium and magnesium. Next, in horticulture section, pride of India is a variety of cauliflower, apple, chili, squash, cabbage. Answer is cabbage. Some of the points about cabbage and cauliflower. In cabbage, edible part is head. For main season and altar varieties, 375 to 400 gram seeds per hectare is required, and for early varieties, 600 to 700 gram seeds per hectare. And cabbage is a transplanted crop. And the varieties or hybrids of cabbage is Bajrang, that is BSS 50, Golden Acre, Kranti, Pride of India, Mitra, Pusa Ageti, Golden Acre. And club root is particularly prevalent in soils with a pH above 7, and it is a typical root parasite of cabbage. And whiptail is caused due to the deficiency of molybdenum. And in case of cauliflower, edible part is curd, and 200 to 500 grams seed rate is required per hectare. And varieties or hybrids of cauliflower is early kunwari, Pusa deepalis, Pusa snowball, Pusa kathi, and blanching. Blanching is done in cauliflower, that is to protect against sun scorching and yellowing of curd. And the flower opens and develops into siliqua. Whiptail deficiency of molybdenum, as I told. And buttoning in cauliflower is due to the deficiency of nitrogen. That buttoning means development of small curds. And blindness is due to low temperature. Next, at what pH soups and sauces are canned? Less than 3.5, 4.5 to 5, 3.5 to 4.5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8.5. Answer is 4.5 to 5 pH soups and sauces are canned. These are some of the classes pH and product. And in case of low acid, that is pH is above 5. Vegetables such as peas, lima bean, asparagus, cauliflower, potato, spinach, beet, corn, French bean are used for the product. And medium acid is 4.5 to 5. In this case, products of turnip, carrot, okra, cabbage, pumpkin, green gram, and products like soups and sauces are used, are made. And in case of acid class, that is 3.7 to 4.5, tomato, pear, banana, mango, jackfruit, pineapple, sweet cherry, peach, apple and other fruits products are made. And in case of high acid, products of citrus juice, rhubarb, prune, sauerkraut, pickle, chutney are made. That is, in high acid means it is less than 3.7 pH. And in case of animal husbandry, in supplementary feed of prawns, at what proportion mixture of groundnut oil cake and fish meal is mixed? 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 1 is to 3. Answer is 1 is to 1. This is about some of the points about the prawn. Prawns are cultivated under monoculture as well as polyculture systems. Under monoculture system, production levels of 750 to 1500 kg of prawns per hectare for 8 months. If it is for 6 months, means 750 to 1200 kg per hectare. Further, it is compatible species for polyculture along with Indian major carps and Chinese carp, which may yield 400 kg prawns and 3000 kg of carps per hectare per year. And mixture of groundnut oil cake and fish meal in the proportion 1:1 is used as supplementary feed. And some of the farming systems are extensive freshwater prawn culture, which production will be around less than 500 kg per hectare per year, and the stockings will be around 1 to 4 per meter square. And in case of semi-intensive freshwater prawn culture, production will be more than 500 kg per hectare per year, and stocking will be 4 to 20 per meter square. And in case of intensive freshwater prawn culture, production is more than 5000 kg per hectare per year, and stockings must be 20 per meter square. And inside there is one table, that is water quality requirements for prawn nursery and growth. That is, temperature required is 28 to 31 degrees Celsius, and the pH is 7 to 8.5, and dissolved oxygen is 3 to 7 ppm. Next, in piggery, what is the size of farrowing crates? 4 into 4 feet, 2 into 6 feet, 4 into 12 feet, 8 into 2 feet, 5 into 6 feet. Answer is 8 into 2 feet is required for the farrowing crates. This is about some of the points about piggery. High prolificacy, that is 6 to 12 number per liter, and FCR 1 is to 2.5 to 3, and maturity is for desi it is 4 months, and for exotic it is 8 to 10 months. And about farrowing crates, that is to restrict movements of sows during the time of birth, space is required is 8 to 2 feet. That is, sows means female pigs. Weaning is 56 days, and 2 farrowings per year for pigs. And these are some of the names. For group of pigs are called as stock or drove. For newborn, it is called piglets. And for young male, boarling, young female gilt, adult male boar, adult female sow. And for castrated male, hog or stag. And for parturition, it is called as farrowing, and for mating, it is coupling. Next, in agri-engineering section, a machine used only to cut grain crops is called as reaper, mower, combine harvester, windrower, harvester. Answer is reaper. This is some of the machines and their definitions. Mower is used to cut herbage crops and leave them in a swath. Reaper is to cut grain crops, and reaper binder cuts the crops and ties them into neat and uniform bundles. In swath, the harvested material laid on the land by the machine when harvesting is in progress. And windrow, it is a row of material formed by combining two or more swaths. And windrower is a machine to cut crops and deliver them in a uniform manner in a row. And combine, it is a machine which performs the functions of reaper, thresher, and winnower. And combine harvester, self-propelled type, its size varies from 2 to 4 meter, and it is a PTO driven type. The power requirement of the combine may be taken on 8 HP per meter width of cut for pull type machine, and 12 HP per meter width of cut for self-propelled machines. Next, in rotary tiller, rotor is operated at dash RPM. 300 to 400, 680 to 740, 425 to 525, 180 to 200. Answer is 180 to 200 RPM. This is about the rotary tiller. Rotor fitted with L-shaped steel blades, that is around 36 to 48 numbers of steel blades. Rotor is operated at 180 to 200 RPM. And types of blades used in rotary tillers are: L-type blade works well in trashy conditions, more effective in cutting weeds but do not pulverize the soil much. And twisted blade, suitable for deep tillage in relatively clean grounds, but clogging and wrapping of trashes on the tines and shafts needs frequent cleaning. And a straight blade, next, employed on mulchers, designed mainly for secondary tillage. And next, in general affairs section, CTCARI, that is Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, is located in Kasargodu, Kochi, Thiruvananthapuram, Karnal, Calicut. Answer is Kochi. These are some of the institutions present in Kerala, that is in Trivandrum or Thiruvananthapuram, AICRP on tuber crops, and as I told, CTCRI, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute. And in Kodo, ASCRP on palms, and in Calicut, ASCRP on spices and Indian Institute of Spice Research, and in Kochi, Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. Which of the following scheme is launched by Government of India to supplement agriculture, modernize processing, and to decrease agri-waste? कृषि उन्नति योजना, कृषि विकास योजना, पीएम कृषि सिंचाई योजना, पीएम कृषि संपदा योजना, पीएम फसल बीमा योजना. पीएम कृषि संपदा योजना. Schemes, it is about the Sampada scheme, that is scheme for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters, was approved by the cabinet in May 2017 for the period of 2016 to 2020, and the scheme has now renamed as Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, that is PMKSY. The objective of PMKSY is to supplement agriculture, modernize processing, and decrease agri-waste. These three objectives. PMKSY with an allocation of 6,000 crore is expected to leverage investment of rupees 31,400 crores, handling of 334 lakh million tons of agro produce valuing rupees 1 lakh 4,125 crores, benefiting 20 lakhs farmers, and generate 5 lakh 30,500 direct or indirect employment in the country by the year 2019 and 20. And this was set number 10 from Agriculture and Adda. If you find it useful, please subscribe, click the bell icon, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and thanks from Agriculture